Hello, I'm Steve Kercel, a teacher in Ollie, and in the upcoming fall term, together with Linda MacDougal, the two of us are co-teaching a course that's called Alternative Interventions in Childhood Trauma. And this is a course that deals with the problem of both psychological and physiological illnesses that come up decades later after one has suffered childhood trauma. And there's quite a bit of discussion about this in the world these days about the fact that these effects occur decades after the trauma occurred, but the question always comes, well, what do you actually do about it? Because it turns out that typical remedies such as traditional psychotropic drugs and talk therapy don't do much good, or at least a lot of practitioners have discovered that in trying to treat people with these problems. It turns out there's a whole body of alternative therapies that can be quite effective and help people put their lives back together. And so this course that Linda MacDougal and I are teaching is essentially features 8 different specialists in different areas that all have very great effects on therapy. I won't try to go through all 8 topics, but we will each week have a different guest speaker on a different topic. And the 2 that I think are the most notable is the first class will feature Patty Bell Hastings, Winnipeg University, and should be talking about hypnotic regression, regressing back into childhood, looking at the traumas one might have suffered, what effects they might have had on you, and using hypnotic techniques to help resolve the problems and break unhealthy links, that sort of thing. The final class will be given by Colin Reed, who is a local expert on psychedelics. And he'll be talking about both the effect of psychedelics and also some things about their legalities, what's legal to do in Maine and what isn't, that sort of thing. And the other 6 are equally novel and equally effective. And so we certainly look forward to people signing up for this and hope to see you in the fall. Good morning.